Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Discord overlay not working. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the Discord over here and select quit Discord. And now right click on the Discord on the desktop shortcut and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for searchiness. Now open the Discord. After opening the Discord, select the gear icon and scroll down and select game overlay, and in here just need to scroll down and make sure this enable overlay is turned on, and enable legacy overlay turn it on. After turning on both, check if it's work or not. If not, method 2, you just need to click on the system tray, right click on the Discord and select quit Discord, and press Windows key and R key and type percentage app data percentage. Click on OK. We just need to double click on the Discord folder. Select cache, code cache, and GPU cache. Select these three folders and select delete option. These are cache folders. Just close stuff here. Now you can open the Discord and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to open up Chrome and search Geek uninstaller and press enter. Select the download option over here, select the zip and download it. After getting download done, click on it and open the application. Double click on it and select yes. Now search Discord in here and just right click on the Discord and select uninstall. Select the finish option to delete all the leftover files. And now all the files has been deleted. Now just to close stuff here and open up Chrome and search Discord. Select the download option and download for Windows. After getting download done, install it. After the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, many people on Reddit shared that switching the game from full screen to window mode fixed the problem. You can also try this guys. Also, don't forget to close other overlay programs like MSA Afterburner, Rivet Tuner that might conflict with the Discord overlay. If it is running, then just right click on it and select exit. And now open up the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.